Hi, in this video I'm going to explain to you why you should avoid buying expired domains no matter how tempting it may seem. This is Dave George with Seniors Marketing Academy, and I want to show you why buying expired domains can be expensive and time consuming, especially if you're new to affiliate marketing. Now, I do a lot of these videos because I want to show you the truth about making money online, so please do subscribe if you found value in what I do. If you're trying to make money online and are struggling, then click the link below for a free workshop and you can finally understand why you're failing. So, what do I mean by buying an expired domain? Understand there are millions of domain names online and thousands of those become available to you because people let them lapse for whatever the reason may be. Whether it's because they stop paying for them, just let them die out, start a business and give up on it, whatever the situation is. Now, these domains have links, videos, etc. that you can redirect to whatever you want because you want to take advantage of any traffic that may have been created by those domains. What makes buying an expired domain so enticing is that they're super easy to set up. You take an existing website that you purchased, redirect them to a site that you want with the hopes that they will purchase or become engaged with your site. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, here's a quick look at the flow of expired domains. Here you have your expired domain right here. This is what you're purchasing or wanting to purchase. And what you're wanting to get is all the traffic that flows into this domain. Just a couple examples like YouTube, emails, blog posts, Facebook, Instagram, whatever medium that you're using or they were using to draw traffic into this domain. So then you buy this domain and you get all this that gets brought into it. And then what you want to do is a redirect into your site. And then once you get them into your site, then you can then get them to opt in to whatever information you're trying to promote. Add them to your list where you can send emails out to them promoting whatever product you're trying to promote, or just to provide some content to build up your relationship with that customer. And if you're trying to sell something to them, then it takes them to the sales page and then they purchase. So basically the purpose of this is buy a domain, get the traffic, get them involved in your site, sell them something, and make money off of it. That's the real premise of buying an expired domain, and that's why people say that, hey, just a quick investment in buying an expired domain, you can pick up a domain, 15, 20 bucks, whatever, and watch the traffic flow in. Well, it's not necessarily as simple as all that. You may see an ad for software training discussing how easy and fast it is to make money buying expired domains. I mean, how can you resist? It is push-button software on steroids. You buy the software, pick the niche or category, up pops a list of expired domains. You buy probably not one, but most likely several domains. Then redirect links in those domains to wherever you want it to go. They click on the link and you make money. Easy, right? Well, not so fast. Now, before I go any further, I do have a quick disclaimer. You can make money buying expired domains. And it can be fairly lucrative if you know what you're doing and already have resources in place to take advantage. However, unless you have a lot of experience, time, and money, you may find yourself going down the rabbit hole that will delay your success as an online marketer. It's like creating one video or one blog post and expecting huge results. Could it happen? Sure. But is it likely? Now, just so you're aware, there are some pitfalls when you buy an expired domain. For example, is the content any good? Are the videos up to date? Let's take a look real quick back at the flowchart we showed you earlier. When it comes to content, you don't know the mindset of the original creator. They may have put junk content on their site. What if the previous content owner put up information or links to copyrighted material without permission? Even though they did it, as the domain owner now, it is on you. And what about the videos? Are they up to date? How do you know the content in these domains that you bought are accurate and has honest, straightforward information? Let me ask you, do you have time to watch all those videos and verify that the content is valid? Remember, even though you may have not created the content, once you purchase the domain, you become liable for the content. Another thing you need to worry about are the links. If it links to another site and the links go away, you lose that content. Going back to our pitfalls, how much can you afford to gamble? Because it is not as easy or cheap as it appears. For example, here we are in one of the domain auctions here, and you can see starting price $18.99, current bid $146.99. Starting price $12.99, current bid $455, and on and on and on and on and on. So you have to ask yourself, when you're looking at buying an expired domain and gambling on that, how easy it is to find an inexpensive one. And if you do find one that's that inexpensive, that should make you nervous as to whether or not this is a valid domain, because if no one has an interest in it, what's wrong? The ones that you're going to see that has value are ones that you're going to find that are going to be a little bit more expensive than what you thought. Often you'll see someone post that they bought an expired domain for X dollars and then they turned around and made Y dollars. What you don't see is how many domains did they purchase before they were successful. How long did it take? Plus, when a domain expires, don't buy in the hype about paying $15 for a domain and now they've made all this great sum of money. They go to auction and the highest bidder gets the domain, which means the more valuable domain in a niche that becomes available can get pretty pricey pretty fast. If you see a domain that is selling for $15, just how valuable is it really worth? Which leads me to my next point. If you're buying several domains, they can be hard to keep up with. For example, if you buy 10 domain names a day, which many people do, how are you keeping up with all those domains over a period of time? Can you imagine keeping up with 100 plus domains? Bottom line, trying to get a strong foothold as an affiliate marketer takes time, effort, and some money. How much of that time do you want to spend updating websites, verifying links, reviewing that the content is accurate and not outdated? Buying expired domains may be a step you might want to consider later in your career, but for now, get yourself established first. I want to close out by reminding you, if you are trying to make money online and you're struggling, then please click the link below to a free workshop so you can finally understand why you're failing. It has great content, and I truly believe you're going to get a lot out of it. Again, this is Dave George with Seniors Marketing Academy. So long, everyone.